Right then, here we have one American lock. This is the 100th anniversary special edition. Yeah, ace. It's not key retaining. There's your bitting, 5 pins. Nice little lock. I've got half a dozen of these, well, Americans, and it's always been the same problem with me, is tensioning these things. And then this arrived yesterday, with the lock, funnily enough. Done some pics. Excellent, thanks Joshua. So, it's locked up. Gem, I polished that severely today. There you go. So, back to front, light tension. And then again. Sorry guys, give you a decent angle. Just back to front, light tension. Might have to jump into a fair full set. There, and there you go. Yeah, just a quick one. Yeah, love it. Sorry guys. That's the American lock. That's the 5100 series. Just a quick one. There, should put it in. Love it. Really do. Excellent. Thanks again, Joshua. Cheers, buddy. Good night.